Good morning, Pinocchio. You seem quiet today. What's wrong, my boy?
Good morning, Father. I was just remembering the time when I ran away from home.
Oh, that day you were supposed to go to school, weren't you?
Yes, Father. I was walking to school when I met a strange man. They told me there was a puppet show nearby.
And you decided to follow them, right?
Sadly, yes. While I was performing on the stage, they took all my coins and locked me in a cage.
I was looking for you everywhere. I worried so much that night.
I was crying when suddenly a bright light appeared. It was the fairy.
Oh, Pinocchio, why are you crying?
Because I want to be free, but I was lying to everyone. I told them I hadn't skipped school.
Oh,
Really? Tell me again. Did you go to school? Yes, I did. Are you sure? Look at your nose. Oh no, it's growing again. I was lying. I'm so sorry. I was watching you, Pinocchio. You were trying to be clever, but honesty is always the best choice. I learned my lesson, Fairy. I promise I will be a good boy and never lie again.
Oh, good, Pinocchio. Remember, truth makes your heart real, not your nose long. Thank you, Fairy, for helping my boy. While you were guiding him, I was making a new toy for him.
He deserved it. Goodbye, Geppetto. Goodbye, honest Pinocchio. Goodbye, Fairy. I will always remember your words.
Come here, Pinocchio. Let's celebrate your honesty with some soup.
Yes, Father. I was surfing after all those memories. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.